Hey guys, this is Gracie Jones, and today me and my family are at Sun Prairie today and for a special event called the Madison Bird Fair. Now, the Madison Bird Fair is the largest bird fair in the state of Wisconsin, so there's going to be lots of vendors, that's going to be lots of birds. And just like last time on the Neenah exotic bird fair, we're just going to look around, not buying some. So I'm really excited to check this out. Hey buddy, how are you doing? Look at this pretty bird. You're so musical.
Did you make this?
Yes, all of these I made these, and
You're all right. Here, we'll put you down, relax. That way. What are you doing?
It's gorgeous, but
I'll stay on this side.
Yeah, you're so pretty. You're sassy though. So 10,000% extra sassy.
so cute.
See? That's a good boy.
How are you guys doing? Oh, sorry.
Okay, see, you can't go down like that.
Oh, right.
Because they're prey animals, and when you come down on them, they think you're a hawk that is trying to kill them.
Oh,
So you go to the side, and they won't act up.
oh, right.
And you gotta go slower because they don't know you.
Oh. Hey. Aww.
Okay. Then
Okay.
Ah, that's amazing. Oh, the babies even have hatched. That's so cute. Oh, so cute. Yeah.
Hey, two questions. One, how much is the half moon, babe?
Yeah, they're so pretty. Oh, lovebirds! I love lovebirds too. They're so cute. Wow. Zebra finches. And canaries.
Very cute, aren't they?
Yeah. Look at that pretty birdie.
That is pretty pretty.
Oh! A little bit. Look at all those itty bitty bucking quail.
Rat. Yeah, we have some spoiled cats at home.
Oh, I got 2 of them also. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
All right, see if
You got them?
Well guys, I think that's about does it for my blog at the Madison Bird Fair. It was really fun, just like the other one in Neenah. Only this time it's way better. I enjoyed looking at all the birds there, such as conures and budgies and cockatiels and many other birds there. I even made a new friend. And in case you didn't know, his name is Diego and he is a green quaker parrot. He was very cute and friendly. So yeah, I really enjoyed the Madison Bird Fair, and I really wish I could go there again someday. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my travels and blogs. See you next time. Bye!